We're going to the Rocks and Gems show. I'm going to show you about rocks and how some of the rocks work and form. Now we're inside and we have some, obviously, fossils, which are in rocks, and this is Rocks and Gems. I know it only says Rocks and Gems, but also it has fossils, and these are some fossils. Here's some shark teeth, fossilized shark teeth. So these are some gems and geodes, obviously. So this is what it actually says in the thing. And let me see. One of the funner ones I want to see.
Going once.
You'd probably want to see is this one. And then even funner, we have to go on the other side now.
All right, looking at that.
It says, can you identify these rocks? Press the buttons to find out. I've looked at this, but do you know? Do you want to guess?
Go ahead.
Okay, I already know this one. It's a Brazilian agate. I think it's that one.
It's gonna be a 25-cent spins here.
It's right there. That one that just glowed. It's kind of fun to look at. And then crazy lace. Rose quartz is that one, that ball sphere. This is a Curry-Plantamen, it's hard to say. Curry-Plantamen stone, and that means there's flowers fossilized inside of the rock. So a very good example is that one. It needs to come over to my side. Let's switch that. Here. Look at that one. These are some very beautiful crystals. These are obviously crystals, gems, you may call them. And there's magnifying glasses here. You want to look at the magnifying glass? And then this one's pretty too. Magnifying glasses make things look bigger, and magnifying means like kind of find things and then glass, because it's just glass. So magnifying glass, that's what it's called. These are some fun shapes you can look at. Most of the time you find those ones that are yellow at the bottom and blue at the top. That one, there. And then there's a lot of other cool different shapes that you usually don't find. Now these are geodes. They have crystals in the middle, and then it's like a rock on the outside. So it's basically a rock, but it's crystal. So you need to polish it if you want to actually look at it, or cut it in half. And these ones, they just cut it in half.
We say this is $1, and then we count. So we count $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, and 20.
Thank you.
There you go.
So right now we're gonna buy something, and you can buy like things that you have enough money for. I mean, I brought money. So $1. Then you have to find something that said $1 on it. I don't think there's anything here that's $1. Really? I came here before, and there was nothing really that was $1. I just looked and looked at the prices, and nothing really developed that was $1. Because things are hard to make.
Hey folks, I've got some grab bags back here on the
Phyllite.
That was fun.
This is right that I did.
Okay.
This is the end of our show. It was super fun. I bought a lot of things, and I still have change left over. And it's really fun to go to this Rocks and Gems show. And that's the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time on a My the Science Kid video.